Paleo Nick here. I'm excited to introduce to you guys the first video in a series called It's Not Gourmet, Bro. And this was inspired by my friend Ashley Van Horne. It's actually her idea. And she's too busy with life to be here with me right now to cook this, but I know she's here in spirit, so let's get after it. I've got my slow cooker out, and most of these videos will be related to the slow cooker. I've got a couple pounds of boneless short ribs, and then I just went and kind of cleaned out my fridge. I had some celery in there that's kind of getting old, some scallions. I've got a roasted jalapeno, a couple sticks of cinnamon, and then a bunch of tomato ends left over from some burgers that I served. So we sliced all the good slices out of the middle, and then these are the ends. I just hacked those up. So I'm gonna take this bowl right here, slide these tomatoes into there, and then I'll cut through my celery quickly. Gonna break this up. Bam, in the bowl. We'll throw our scallions in there. I've got one roasted jalapeno. That I'll, let's see, let's cut the end off. Then quarter that. Get that going in there. Then our meat. I'll lay this across the top, and then I'll season that. So just want to make sure we have enough salt to go with this much meat. And one more thing of salt. I think that should be good. Get some pepper going. Cinnamon sticks. And then I have some spices here, bay leaves. I'm gonna throw 2 bay leaves. Actually, I'll set those aside for a second. Put those in right at the end. Oregano. Cumin. Not that much. Chili. And garlic. You could use fresh garlic. You could season just the meat with these spices and then sear it off and get it in here, but it's not that gourmet. So let's just mix this up. And we'll slam it into our slow cooker. Just to see if we can do this. Nice and full. We're not going to put any liquid in here. This stuff will melt down and provide the liquid. We don't want to water this baby down. So, how's that looking?
Looks good.
Looks good. A couple bay leaves on the top. And as Ron Popeil would say, set it and forget it. We have, I've got it on here for 4 hours, 49 minutes. And we'll just check in with it every couple hours, see how it's doing. I think within 4 hours it'll be done. So there it is. We don't really have a name for it yet, but we'll figure that out. But just remember it, it's not gourmet, bro. It's not gourmet, bro. All right, so check this out. We've got about 3.5, 4 hours in. I'm gonna pull these bay leaves. We'll take a look here. So the meat is, it's fork tender. We just tested a piece. Look at our cinnamon is swollen. Kind of like Jesse's arms after crossing. No, but what I would do here is just grab this little ladle into the bowl. Maybe a little bit more veg, some celery, some put those tomatoes, a little piece of meat on the top, and a little bit more right there. Next, I would grab a spoon, slap that on the table. We're not going to garnish it. There's no sauce. You know why? It's not gourmet, bro. All right? You follow? Super simple. In and out, just like that. Drop that baby in there before work. You come home, dinner is served. I'm Paleo Nick, showing you easy ways to keep it simple, keep it fresh, and above all, keep it paleo.